Welcome to GSM Favor YouTube channel. This is my Huawei Y5 2017 MYA L22 model Android smartphone. Unfortunately, I forgot my phone lock screen password, which is why I can't use this phone. I will now unlock the phone via hard reset. First, you have to turn off the phone by pressing the power button. Hold the power button and the volume up button for a while, and then the phone will go into recovery mode. Now select Wipe Data Factory Reset by using the volume buttons to scroll down and the power key to confirm that. Next, select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Again, select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Factory resetting, please wait. Finally, tap Reboot System Now by using the power button. This is the welcome screen of Huawei Y5 2017 MYA L22 smartphone. When you open the fast after hard resetting the welcome screen. Now I will show you how to bypass the Google account verification system lock of the Huawei Y5 2017 MYA L22 model smartphone. Click on Next, then it will show all the Wi-Fi signals here. Connect your phone to any Wi-Fi network. I'm connecting to a Wi-Fi network with a password. Connect complete. Verifying your account with your Google account. This device was reset. To continue, sign in with a Google account that was previously synced on this device. I will now show you how you can unlock your smartphone by bypassing the lock. Now I have to go back to the welcome screen by restart phone. Hold for a while with both fingers in the home screen. The TalkBack program has been launched. Now touch the screen like L, select the TalkBack setting. Check the following options by pressing with two fingers. Click the Terms of Services from the options below. Open Google Chrome. Turn off the TalkBack program by hold volume up and down key same time. Type gsmfavor.com in the address bar. Enter GSM Favor website. Click on the menu and go to the FRP Bypass Apps page. Click Open Setting. Click Backup and Reset. Click Reset All Setting. Reset all setting. Restart your smartphone. Now I have succeeded in unlocking the FRP of my phone. Stay tuned by subscribing to our GSM Favor YouTube channel for tutorial tips and tricks to unlock more new smartphones like this. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe GSM Favor for more video.